In every corner of our planet, from the deepest oceans to the bustling heart of our cities, life flourishes in astonishing diversity. Prepare to have your perceptions challenged as we count down 10 of the most brilliant minds our planet has produced. Our countdown begins not in a remote wilderness, but in the very shadow of our own homes. This is the raccoon, a creature whose intelligence is defined by its sheer adaptability. With exquisitely sensitive forepaws, it can unlatch gates and twist open jars. It probes, manipulates, and learns by experiment, then remembers and teaches kits by example. For millennia, dogs have worked alongside us, evolving minds tuned to understand humans. Watching a border collie at work is a symphony of focus, athleticism, and rapid-fire problem-solving. It reads subtle gestures and whistles, then translates them into complex actions across great distances. Obedience and initiative, predictive thinking in motion. Often dismissed and misunderstood, the pig possesses cognitive complexity rivaling many primates. Some use bark and sticks as tools, deliberate manipulation to achieve a goal. They learn to play simple video games and solve complex mazes, remembering routes with speed and accuracy. They learn by observation and even deceive rivals, hints of a rudimentary theory of mind. High in a remote canopy, a feathered innovator challenges our definition of intelligence. The New Caledonian crow manufactures tools, shaping twigs into hooks to extract hidden grubs. It plans several moves ahead, understanding cause and effect. Hooded crows time traffic lights, retrieving cracked nuts safely, exploiting human patterns with savvy. In the forests of Central and West Africa lives a bird famed for speech and understanding. The African grey learns vast vocabularies and uses words meaningfully in context. Alex identified objects, colors, shapes, counted to 6, and grasped same versus different. He even coined novel combinations, suggesting a flexible, creative mind at work. We descend beneath the waves to meet a mind unlike our own, a master of camouflage, contortion, and escape. 2/3 of its neurons live in the arms, decentralized intelligence-solving mechanics on the fly. They use portable shelters, learn by watching, and display distinct personalities. On the savannas and in forests of Africa and Asia, elephants weave memory with emotion. They remember waterholes across vast distances and recognize hundreds of individuals for decades. They comfort, mourn, and recognize themselves in mirrors, rare signs of self-awareness. Her lifetime of knowledge is the herd's most valuable asset, a supreme predator with individual brilliance and culture. Distinct pods have unique dialects, traditions, and specialized hunting strategies. They innovate, plan, and execute multi-stage hunts taught across generations. A collective intelligence dominates the ocean. Behind their joy lies a powerful, sophisticated mind. They communicate with clicks, whistles, body language, and signature whistles like names. They parse syntax and follow complex sentences. They use tools and pass traditions culturally, then cooperate to herd fish. Our closest living relative shares around 98.7% of our DNA. Their tool use is diverse and culturally transmitted across groups. They plan and problem-solve with striking insight. They form alliances, deceive, grieve, play, and reconcile, a mirror to our own minds. Our brief glimpse into these 10 remarkable lives has shown us that intelligence is not a single peak, but a vast and varied mountain range. Each species has evolved its own unique form of genius, perfectly suited to its world. We are fellow travelers on this journey, called to protect the habitats that foster these minds. Final. The world is full of wonders, and perhaps the greatest wonder of all is the hidden world of the animal mind.